Oh yes, for the first time. Assistant HBK, mambo vipi?
Poa sana mambo.
Poa sana. Habari yako?
Nzuri.
Jina ni nani?
Njeri Karanja. Njeri Karanja.
Njeri Karanja. We na HBK, hebu tufafanulie vizuri.
He's my husband. He's my husband.
Husband. Yeah. Okay. So, safari mulikutana.
Can we
Okay.
skip?
By event?
No.
Okay, wapi?
Around Nakuru.
Around Nakuru.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. So niambie, safari yako, you are at least for the first time I've interviewed someone who supports the husband. So how is the journey?
The journey is nice. It's quite interesting. A bit lonely, but we just pray for God's favor in everything. Yeah.
So naona umepigiwa debe sana na sister yake kwamba umekuwa ukiomba sana. So give us the tip.
Of what? Of prayers?
Yeah.
Just believing in God. Actually, I didn't used to pray like that. So when we met, that's when I think our prayer game became stronger. Yeah.
Okay. So tuseme yeye ndiye amechochea zaidi ukue prayer.
Yeah.
Okay. Mostly wanasemanga mwenye anaomba sana inafaa kuwa mama. So
okay, naomba pia sana, but anani encourage. You know, you need a tap on the back. Yeah.
So safari yake vile alianza maybe jina yake vile ulikutana naye ama mlianza kukaa naye. Jina yake ilikuwa bado penye yako saizi ama alikuwa mbali kidogo?
Yeah, but when it came to me, I didn't see him like a celebrity. Yeah, because I think akitoka place kama hii, a club or something, he stops being that and he becomes either my boyfriend or my husband. Yes.
So before mukuje kuoana, he was your boyfriend?
Yeah.
Sitauliza mlidate for how long because nataka siku moja mkiwa pamoja. So maybe responsibilities zake vile hizi events zina events most of the weekends sana najaribu kumtafuta, unapata tuna strike deal. Yeah. Leo tunapatana. But inafika tu time manze sitapatikana.
Yeah.
We kama mke wake, how do you feel about that and how do you cope na situation?
Okay, first of all, he has to come from home to go to those events, yeah? So I prepare for him the things he wants to wear. So I have to see him before he goes and he has to come back. So it's not that lonely. Yeah.
So saizi wardrobe yake usha settle wardrobe anavaa gani?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So kwa hiyo nini ya familia maybe together hizo nini zote. Ye mwenyewe huwa na balance time yake ya usanii na yako vipi?
Mostly on Wednesdays tunakwanga na family time, family night during the day and at night. When I was not working that time, I was on maternity leave. Yeah. But I think his schedule begins from Thursdays or Fridays. So hapo anajipanga na mimi pia anajipanga during the week. So we have time during the weekdays. When the weekends begin, I know he's no longer mine.
Oh.
Yeah.
Now, what do you expect from him today?
First of all, I know he's very, very emotional. So we might shed a tear, we might laugh, because this is about his journey from where he began from and to where he is. So he's actually just thanking God for the fact he is right now. Yeah.
So maybe your last sabu naona uko nervous sana. Your last word maybe chenye unaweza ambia mashabiki.
Oh, subscribe. He has great content. I saw your interview with Hash the other day. He came and showed me. That's where I knew you from. Yeah. So watu wa subscribe.
Okay, sawa.
Yeah.
Maybe anything kuambia watu kuna wenye kama huyu sije kama naombeanga chalia kama mzee. So
you should always pray for your men, husbands, boyfriends, because we need prayers. They also I've never experienced a man praying for me. He's the first one. That's why I think we stuck together. Yeah.
Ni nini hiyo ina keep that I know he's passionate about his job, eh?
Yeah.
what is that one thing yenye unaona kwamba maybe is so much into it ama chenye anapenda sana other than music ama kitu kingine?
I think God, because there's a day I was telling him, one day I'll surprise you for your birthday and you'll cry. He told me the only thing that can make me cry is godly things. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So guza na kitu ya Mungu.
Guza hivi na scripture machozi.
Okay, sawa sawa. So thank you so much. At least umegain confidence, sister-in-law amekuletea. Amekupatia confidence na at least you have umejaribu kuongea. Thank you so much. Zidi kumwombea na Mungu ataonekania zaidi na zaidi na zaidi. Sawa sawa.
Amen.
Thank you so much.
Thank you too.
Bye.